Hello guys, it's Gautam here, and we're back in Roblox. We're playing Bee Swarm, and we're gonna be playing it. Right now I'm talking to a black bear. I only have one honeybee, and I'm talking to a black bear for a quest. This is my first black bear, so let's go. I happen to be a honeycomber. That means I know a lot about honey, and if you're willing to go through my training, you'll be making tons of honey in no time. First off, collect 100 pollen from the sunflower fields. Okay, collect 100 pollen from the sunflower field. This is the sunflower field, I think, because I see sunflowers. Let's go, collect 100 pollen. My backpack, and you have to dig and make pollen, make honey. And you can do stuff with honey to the lowest. Use the collect new items. Quests. Oh, it's already complete. Wow, thank you, bee. I think my bee helped me. It's called a bumblebee, and it's rare. Now, and it's my first bee. I don't get how it's supposed to be rare. And come talk to me again. Ready for another quest. Okay. I get 200 honey for that? Good girl, good girl. What can you do? How do you get bees? How do you get bees? How do you get bees? I want a bee. Can't afford, can't afford, can't afford. I can't afford I can't afford anything. That's sad. Well, still. What is this? Discover 22. Find the right hand. Okay. I don't know what that is. Okay, I'll just make some honey, I mean. So he just takes it and does this thingy. I know it's, it's only been 1 day since my last video, so don't be shocked. This is only a third video, and I have to start making videos. I can't just stay like this. I need to get subscribers. Subscribers means good people like you. If you subscribe, please subscribe. The pollen from each field produces slightly different. Most people can tell the difference, but I can. That's why I love it here. There's such a variety of flower patches. Each field is different. Sunflowers, mushroom, clovers. But today I've got a hankering for dandelion flavored honey. Why don't you collect some pollen from the dandelion field? 250 should be enough. I do not have a good backpack. How about I go and collect can you a good it's Robux. All of it is Robux. All of it is Robux. Okay. So yeah. We're making it and wait, what was it? What's my quest? Is this Robux? I don't know. How do you get on a good backpack? How do you get a good backpack? How do you get a good backpack? Is this all Robux? Seriously? This is all Robux? Not even a single one? I know I have no Robux. I have no Robux. My Robux are empty. But how? Oh, there's a shop there. I'll go check out the shop. What is this? Club. I'm gonna go to the club. Like, right now. Raggy, I want this 650 honey, yes. Put this, yes. It's a jar of honey, of course. 750 pollen, that's good. It's an item, sadly. And it's so good. I'm gonna be running. Wait, what was I supposed to do? I was supposed to collect from the dandelion field. Is this the dandelion field? Nope. Which one is the dandelion field, I wonder? Which one is the dandelion? That's the mushroom field. That's the dandelion field. I mean, that's the sunflower field. Where's the dandelion field? Oh, this is some parkour. I love parkour. Floating mushrooms! It's a ladybug! It's a ladybug! It's a ladybug! Help me, bee! Help me, bees! Help me! Help me! Help me! Help me! Help me! Help me! I need to get out of this place. Is it still after me? I don't know. That was pretty scary. So yeah, I'm 5 pollen eggs. 5 what? 5 5 eggs to pass. Hatch 5 eggs to pass. I'm gonna do some more parkour, but I'm afraid the ladybug. It's a ladybug. It's a ladybug. It's the killer ladybug. What's that? Is that the dandelion field, I wonder? The place up there. Is this the dandelion field? I don't know what the dandelion field is. I don't know the flower. I know I've heard of it, but I can't find it. It's a beetle. It's a rhino beetle. It's a rhino beetle. It's a rhino beetle. Oh, gee, it's a rhino beetle. Rhino beetle and ladybug, you can't catch me because I'm a big. Ha! I'm gonna make fun of them. See? I'm making fun of them. See? What level is that supposed to be? What level is that supposed to be? Ladybug? It's level 2. What about the rhino? It's rhino beetle. It's level 2. It actually looks like a rhino, first of all. The rhino beetle, I mean, see? It looks like a rhino. Ladybug. I'm just gonna be like, ha 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 ha. 8 types of bees to use the screenshot. What? It's not fair. I don't even know how to get bees. It's a ladybug. Well, I'm gonna kill you. I only have some more life left. I think I can survive this. I think I can do this. I think I can do this without being caught by the... No, not the ladybug. I think I can do this. What? You're sad? You wanna go sleep? You wanna go sleep? Okay, I'll just let you go sleep if you're that sad. Well, I'll just leave. I don't care. Good. You went to sleep, sadly. This is where you spawn. This is where you spawn. I'm just gonna go collect some pollen now. There's nothing to do. Maybe I could get a good trouble. I'm just gonna keep tapping. Keep tapping. Oh, you are doing a... Oh, you are doing a super cool trick. I wonder what that was. I wonder what that super cool was. Is this the dandelion field? I don't know about this. But is it? Let me see. 250 pollen. Is this 250 pollen? Let's see. Is this 250 pollen? It's 350 I think it's 250 pollen. Let's just give this to the black bear. I mean, there's nothing to do. Nice job. Here's a reward. Come. Eat up. I want to be so amazing. But a silver ankle. First collect 500 pollen. Oh, that's gonna be easy. He said don't expect it to be easy, but it's easy. 500. B, do your work. How much? Look. Here it says how much I collected out of. Oh, you start from the beginning. You can use how much there is in your bag. I don't want to dig up the floor. Wait, I don't get it. How is a shovel? I'm ruining nature. I'm digging up flowers. Flowers are on the ground. That's growing up. There's a bear there. Oh, 250. 231. This is gonna be boring. I thought you continue with how much you have in your bag. Oh, this is boring now. You're doing a super move. You're doing a super move. Boom! Yeah, we got so much fun from that. Dun, 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 dun. Oh, I'm full. Darn it. I turned my pollen into honey. Well, that's gonna take a long time. You make honey. I need 100 space. I think one more will be enough. There we go. We have 100 space now. Just finished spinning the honey. There we go. You stop making honey and stop making honey. You stop making honey and stop making honey. What else? I just need 100 more. We're almost at 50. 59. And there it goes. Super move. There we go. Plus 32. It's like 500 pollen complete. Now let me talk to this black bear for my money. Good night, job. Here's Aww. I thought I would get it. If a bee is red, it collects twice as much pollen. From red pollen flower fruits. What is red pollen flower? I think I'm gonna need to make some honey. I think we've got one more minute. We make honey. I think we've got one more minute in this video. So yeah, I don't think we're gonna be able to get the silver egg today. I don't know if it saves. If it saves, maybe I'll do it in another video. But if it doesn't save, you know, I may do it all over again and yeah. Wait, why is a jar attached to a number plate? I have no idea. Okay, let it stop. Finish spinning honey. You finished yet? You finished yet? So guys, I think I'm gonna end this video off here, cause you know. So I'll see you next time. Goodbye.